Hey everybody, welcome to ADV with Roscoe. What am I doing? I am packing for the newest BDR route, the Oregon BDR route. I'll be doing it with 5 of my good friends. It's gonna be a 4 to 7 day ride. So what you see here is what I'm carrying. We divided it up, our gear up amongst all of us. If you're one of those people who like to be completely self-sufficient, I get it, do it, I've done it, but in a group ride, I like to spread the gear out. Okay, so I'm carrying the tent for Mike and I. The tent, if you watch my video, I like to sleep under the stars, so does Mike. The tent will only get set up if it's raining, mosquitoes, or scorpion. I've seen them all. So the tent. I have oil, chain lube, fuel, tubes, patch kit, the thermocell in case it does get mosquito-y. That's for everybody to use. Food. Don't get hung up on food. Don't think you need to carry 7 days worth of food. There's food at every gas station. So I bring a few things in case I get stranded. So there's food. Sleeping. I like to sleep on the ground, like I said. This X pad is unbelievable. I've slept on ridge rest, thermal rest. X pad is amazing. So I like this pad. I use a 35-degree down sleeping bag. I've used down for backpacking in the mountains. I like it because it compresses, it's light. The downside is if it gets wet, it's no good. So pay attention to your down bag, keep it safe, keep it dry. All right, everybody, here's one of my tips. Clothing. You wear the same riding pants and everything every day, so why bring a bunch of clothes? Socks and underwear for every day is a must, but I throw them away at the end of the day. First stop in the morning, the next gas station, first trash can I see, yesterday's socks and underwear goes in the trash can, cost of doing business. I don't want to carry stinky clothes in my bag. Get rid of it. Camp clothes. I get to camp, I wipe down with my dude wipes, put on a fresh t-shirt, put on my hiking pants that are convertibles, and relax in camp. I have a swimsuit. I have a little bit of a warmer jacket for in the evenings at camp as well. So camp is where my one creature comfort that I take, a camp chair. Whether I'm backpacking or long distance motorcycle riding, I want to bring a camp chair. It's something to sit on. I don't want to have to find a log, a rock, a stump. Camp chair is a must for me. All right, I use compression sacks. Everything gets compressed in bags, keeps it small, and it's all going to fit into my Reckless ADVwithRoscoe bags. I've used these bags many, many times. I love these bags. Wait till you see all the gear that fits in here. All right, everybody, I'm going to put everything in this bag. We're going to load it up. I'm going to show you how well it works. See you guys out there. All right, here it is, the Reckless ADVwithRoscoe bags packed for a BDR route. It's up to 7 days we're gonna be on this trip. Great bags, room to spare, easy to pack. Love these bags. All right, everybody. Hey, stay tuned to my channel for information on where I'm gonna be putting a BDR shirt. Along the route, probably the first couple days, I'll be not even hiding, just placing a shirt along the route. If you're interested in grabbing one, I'm gonna tell you exactly where it's at. So follow my Instagram channel and find the shirt. Also, on Friday, June 30th, we're gonna be at Bog Hot Springs. That's where we're gonna start the route on Saturday morning. But Friday, June 30th, we'll be camped out at Bog Hot Springs. If you're in the area, if you're doing the route, swing by, hang out with us, and we'll see you along the route. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Come get one of your one-of-a-kind Oregon BDR shirts. They'll be waiting for you. Thanks, everybody. See you out there. Ride safe.